Within organizations, employees routinely share Excel, Word, and PowerPoint files through Google Drive, especially for collaboration. In this attack scenario, threat actors first convince an employee to install a browser extension. Once installed, this malicious extension monitors file uploads to Google Drive. When the compromised employee uploads Office documents to share with colleagues, the extension automatically injects malicious macros into these files during the upload process. As other employees download what appear to be standard Office documents from their trusted colleague, they receive files containing malicious macros. SquareX offers a comprehensive policy library that enterprises can deploy in seconds to counter web-based threats. The policy to block suspicious browser extensions leverages multiple detection techniques, including behavioral analysis, heuristics, dynamic execution, and AI-driven classification. Once activated, it instantly blocks malicious extensions, preventing users from enabling them again. Admins receive detailed insights about the extension and the IOCs for effective threat hunting. SquareX protects enterprises from hundreds of web attacks, including sophisticated browser extension-based threats. Visit sqrx.com to explore more demos.